Hello all you beautiful people out there, my name is Majestic Muffin, and day one and only day of Motor City Comic Con in November. I wasn't initially gonna go, but you know I'm going, because Matthew Lillard's gonna be there, and I'm doing photo op with him as Stu. This is the fit, but we're gonna fuck it up. We're gonna get all bloody. I have a ghost face mask in here somewhere, so let's try to find that. So we have our cut. I cut here, my tummy, and then on my back as well. Now I'm gonna do that for each one. I don't know if you could actually see any of that, but. I did it. I'm done. Oh, shit. And then my friend Kaiser did my back. You can't see it in my reflection. And now we're heading to the con. I was gonna go to the Scream panel. That's at 1:30, and it is 1 p.m. right now, and it is a half an hour to the con. So, might miss it, but maybe I'll hit the tail end of it. I'm in the car, and I am buckled safely. I'm trying not to get blood all over the place. I'm about to go get Tim Hortons, because it's a 40-minute drive, actually, from where I am, so, I hope I don't scare them. I have just arrived. I am parked so far away from the fucking venue. It is actually insane. There was no parking. I am here pretty late. It's almost 2. But yeah. Woo, I'm here. There are so many people here. I found the photo op area, so we're good when that comes along. But I have people here that I know and I can't find them. Look who I found.
It's Chad.
It's Chad.
Chad quarterback.
That's crazy. Guess who he's meeting? Matthew Lillard. Guess who I'm meeting? Matthew Lillard. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And then I passed by Brandon Rogers' panel.
Oh yeah.
And I was like passing him like, because I don't have money for a fucking autograph or like any of that shit. So.
Am I good on you guys?
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
There goes some of my socks.
Oh yeah, the socks. Can't see that shit for free though. You're gonna have to pay for that now.
I agree.
We make one hell of an entrance.
Absolutely. Yeah, not like those suckers in Grand Rapids. Hit up. Whatever we didn't do it. The Vivian files will not be released.
Hi, I'm Helen.
Yes.
I was wondering if you both were to be in a musical together, not separately, if you were forced to do a musical together.
First of all, not forced. Never be forced. We never forced. No.
What musical would you want to do?
I have an answer, but I want to see what you say first.
Which musical
What do you do together? What you want to do?
I would love to be your Mr. Lovett.
Oh!
Alex the Throwing in an oven. Spoiler alert.
Which is that's a double entendre. Yes, and what a beautiful hot oven you have. That's a better answer than I was going to say. I was going to say we would play conjoined twins in Sideshow. We would play the Hillard twins, Daisy and Violet. About him, which I thought was super cool. And he came, and it was like, it was a completely surreal experience because I'm so used to watching him do things going, wow, he's amazing. And then the opposite, if you watch, he also brought Paul Rudd. Oh wow. Which is ridiculous. And they were super kind and super nice and supportive of the show, and that was just one of those moments. And every time I see the picture, there's pictures of it online backstage and stuff. And every single time I see it, it's like I'm seeing it for the first time. I'm like, is that me? And Jack fucking Black? This was the most outrageous thing, out of this world experience I've had.
I love Jack Black so much.
Nobody better.
I waited behind him in line at an action figure store. That's fun. I'm so sorry. What's the Best moment of my career. Honestly, there was 2 months where I had a 4-story billboard of my face on Hollywood Boulevard for a show that I was in called Magic Funhouse. And the building that they plastered my face over was, I don't know if any of you remember David Dobrik, the YouTuber. And he was not happy about that. So that was probably the highlight of my career. Having a 4-story face on David Dobrik's he's just, well, I don't want to, he's great.
Guess who I found finally?
We're back.
Finally, yay! It's been, I was looking for the whole day.
We somehow did not walk past you not once.
Not
Like
single
literally
time.
the whole day.
Yeah, and like, not that I, what? Yeah. But still. No, but the Wi-Fi's ass.
Oh, it's so
And,
bad.
like, I don't want to show, but I know it goes with it. I was like green hair and then blonde. There's got to be around here somewhere, right? You know how many
Everyone's covered in blood,
blondes?
so that's a good telltale sign.
Exactly, yeah. You know how many blondes are fucking around this place?
A lot.
A lot of blondes, but okay. Say hi. Now say bye.
Bye.
I'm sure this lighting is awful for you. Let me just... I hope that's better. I didn't record a shit ton because I did like a lot of like stuff back to back. For starters, chat. Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, I'm at Matthew Lillard. Oh, like, bro, that's actually insane. Like, obviously I knew I was gonna meet him and to get a photo op with him, but like, saying that you're gonna do it and then actually doing it is like 2 crazy different things. But let me go through this haul really quickly because I don't have a lot of storage, so let me run. I got this cute little art print of this toad. Let me see it. There you go. Jonah Bark from them. There's the card and all their stuff. I'll put like their actual handles up so that you can see. I got a lot of business cards from people today because there's a lot of people that I did want to buy from, but like I didn't have like the extra funds to do so. I got this tote bag actually that has all my shit in it, along with this little Frankenstein keychain. There you go. See him? Well, Frankenstein's monster. And like the little keychain is a heart. Literally so fucking cute. I got these earrings. Those are little bugs. You can't see that at all actually, so sorry about that. Wow. Okay, there you go. You can see that a little bit. And then also these gorgeous emerald earrings, which emerald is my birthstone. So there's that. Oh my god, and then after I met Matthew Lillard, I went to a panel. It was a Brandon Rogers and Alex Brightman panel. Pissed myself, oh my god, seeing them in person. I've been watching Brandon Rogers since high school, and as an actor and a theater actor, seeing also Alex Brightman, fucking surreal experience. It was like a Q&A mainly. And I wasn't gonna get in line at first because there was a lot of fucking people in line. It's like I'm probably not gonna be able to see them. But I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try. I might as well try. And I was the last person to ask questions. So that was crazy. Keychain. What else did I get? Okay, more business cards, gorgeous. Okay, I also got a mystery bag as well. It has 2 prints and then 3 stickers, and they are random, and I had her pick for me. So, oh. Chat. There we go. Oh god. Not you on. That's so ugly. So this is all a surprise. I have not seen any of these. Oh, that's so cute. It's a little sticker. Oh my god, you can't. Okay, you know what? 1 second. Oh, this is so much better. A little sticker with a jar of cats. Okay. Sorry, whenever I see like doggo or whatever, I'm like, oh, dragon. And then the prints. There's 2 prints. Oh my goodness. Look at him. He's so cute. And a full-size jar of the little kitties. And then here's a better view of that print. She's so sweet. She's smiling. And then a better view of our creature, Frankenstein's monster. She had Bride of Frankenstein too, but I didn't want to spend too much. So yeah, and then I went up. I was the last person to ask questions. And everyone was asking, like, valid questions, but, like, questions like, what's your favorite character to play? What's, your favorite, like, song to sing from Hell of a Boss or Has Been? And none of them were, like, really deep or meaningful questions. Not that you have to ask a deep or meaningful question for a Q&A, but, like, not at all. But I was like, well, I want to ask them, like, I was like, hey, I'm an actor as well. And they were like, oh my God, slay. Well, they didn't say that, but they were like, slay. And I was like, how has it been, like, how does it feel as an actor knowing that your acting has, like, touched this many people? And they called it a beautiful question. They were like, that is a beautiful question. And I oh my God, so fucking rude. I went, stop. Oh, and then because I'm dressed as Stu, of course, you guys know that. Brandon Rogers, he said, I've blacked out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm pretty sure he said something like, what'd you get in a fight on the way here or something like that? And I was like, oh no, this is just what happens when you meet Matthew Lillard, actually. He just does that. And then they all laughed. But, this was such a fun con, oh my God. I actually had time to, like, go to a panel and, like, meet someone and, like, oh, it's just so much fun. I will not be going to a con for a hot second, though, because I am fucking drained. Because this is only, like, a week or so after YumaCon. I still have my Angel of Dust wig in the back of my car. And that's Ash's shirt. So, we're gonna go eat. I'm gonna go get some food and go home and say hi to my Tim. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't take a lot of pictures or videos at all, but I'm planning on doing, like, more TikToks and maybe an actual photo shoot with Stu. So yeah, like if you like it, subscribe if you like it, and I'll see all the beautiful people in the next video. Bye bye.